How to enable Clipboard History in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can access everything you've recently copied in one place. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, click on Clipboard on the right side of the screen. At this point, toggle on Clipboard History to activate the feature. From here, every time you copy something, whether it's text, a link, or an image, it gets saved to your clipboard history automatically. Following this, to pull up your clipboard at any time, press Windows key plus V and a small panel will appear showing everything you've copied recently. After that, click on any item in that list to paste it instantly without having to copy it again. From here, if you want to pin something so it stays in your clipboard history and doesn't get pushed out by newer copies, hover over the item in the panel and click the pin icon next to it. Finally, to clear your history, open the panel with Windows key plus V, click the three dots next to any individual item to delete it on its own, or hit Clear All at the top to wipe the entire list at once. That's how you enable clipboard history in Windows 11. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch every upload. See you then.